Celebrate every day. Hey Internet, today is National Bird Day, and this holiday was actually set up by bird activists as a day where we can reflect on the conditions birds are put in by the pet industry and habitat loss. And to celebrate, I'm actually going to go out to my backyard and see how many of these wild-winged creatures I can see in their natural habitat, free of cages, munching on some seeds. So let's go. Alright, let's see how many birds we can attract with these lovely seeds. Alright, that should do it. Oh, seeds. Oh, I'm out. Oh, you guys got seeds? Oh, that's full. Seeds coming right behind you. Whoa. Seeds. Oh, seeds. Well, I'll take some seeds too. That was pretty good. I'm out. Oh, you guys got seeds? Alright. I'm hungry. I'm gonna get some of these. These are really good. Oh, that one looks good over there. I'm gonna get that one. Oh, that looks really good. These are so good. Haven't had seeds in a long time. Keep eating these babies. Oh, yeah. I'm fatting up. Let's go down here. These are really, really good seeds. Oh, yeah. Save some for us. Oh, shut up. I'm just gonna eat these seeds all day. You guys have them over there. I'll eat these. These are all mine. Oh, yeah. This is really good. I love seeds. Oh, man. I'm getting kind of full now. Oh. I'm just gonna keep jumping though. I don't mind. I don't mind at all. Good. Real good. Oh boy, seeds! Oh yeah! Oh. These are my seeds, boy. Alright, I'll go over here. I got him. He's really good up here. Oh. Well, you guys got some seeds for me? Alright, let me get some of them. That's enough for me. I guess there are some benefits to living out in the country after all. Now, if you want to check out the official site for this holiday, the link's in the description. It's nationalbirdday.com. Oh. Oh, he's got seeds. Oh, white human!